How to make any song your alarm on Android. So if you want to add music to your alarm clock, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your alarm clock at first. And once you're under the alarm clock, now you just need to simply tap on the alarm, set the time, and after that go with alarm sound. And once you're under the alarm sound, now you can simply go with Spotify if you want to make a song from Spotify to your alarm. But if you don't want that, then you can simply go with the default sounds or the device sounds, which are right here, or go with add new, which is on the first option. Tap on plus, and then you can add a music from the device. And once you've choose the file, then that music will be added right here. Or you can also go with Spotify, and then you can simply use Spotify music. So that's how you can make any song your alarm on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.